Today I'm going to share with you all how you can program your Prestige remote transmitters. I have two systems you'll notice over here. This one here is a pretty standard keyless remote start combo. Basic as basic gets. This one here is an APS 25Z. So these are current 2019 year models, but you'll notice that the remotes look a lot different. This has more of the standard pursuit almost looking style, and this one here has got a little bit more little bling to it. But basically you can have these, the 5-button versions, the 2-ways, the 1-ways. It doesn't really make a difference. So you'll notice that there's two different systems. This one here also comes with a siren. This one here does not. So when I say that you're going to program it, you're going to get into a mode where it's going to audibly let you know and visually let you know that the system is prepared to take a transmitter learn receive command. This one here will only blink the lights unless you have the optional horn connected to it. So keep that in mind. With a security system, if you have this siren connected and you get into programming mode, it's going to blink the lights and also chirp the siren. So keep that in mind. Now, this one here, when I talk about the program switch, on this one here, I'm talking about this one, which is a combination valet / LED mode. So when you push the button, it's the valet, but when it's off, it blinks the LED and lets you know that the system is functioning, and also has the diagnostics and stuff like that built into it. So this here is how we're going to program the alarm. This one, we have a glass antenna with the LED built in here, right there on the side. And over here is the valet button. You can hear that I'm clicking right there. So how it works for every system basically after the C series, which is like the APS 997C and later, this is how it's done. For this unit, you're going to get in there, turn the ignition to the on position, leave it on, hit this button here 3 times, and it's going to go blink, and then it's going to go honk. If the horn is wired in, you simply grab your remotes, however many you have, up to 4 it will learn. You hit lock, it'll confirm back by the lights and horn. Same thing with transmitter 2. If you have a third and a fourth, do those. You can simply turn the key off and exit programming. You can wait 15 seconds and it'll time out automatically. With the alarm system, same kind of thing. Get in the car, turn the key to the ignition position, leave it on, push your valet 3 times, 1, 2, 3. You get a chirp from the siren, a flash from the lights in the vehicle. Get your transmitters, same deal. Hold down lock until it confirms audibly or visually or both. Transmitter 2. If you have a third and a fourth, do those now. And again, wait 15 seconds, turn the key off and exit programming, and your Prestige transmitters are now programmed.